In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict pages with WooCommerce products. If you're looking to sell courses, digital modules, or exclusive content on your WordPress website, this is the perfect solution. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your site so that only paying customers can access specific pages. Whether you're creating an online course, a membership site, or premium content offerings, this method will help you keep your content secure while providing an easy and smooth experience for your customers. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is ensure that WooCommerce is installed on your WordPress website. If you haven't already done this, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the plugins section, and search for WooCommerce in the plugin repository. Once you've found it, install and activate the plugin. WooCommerce is the backbone of this setup as it allows you to create products, handle payments, and manage orders seamlessly. Next, you'll need to create the products you'll be selling. For example, if you're offering online courses, each course or module should be listed as an individual product. When creating a product, make sure to set the product type as virtual since these are not physical items. Add a clear and descriptive product name, write a detailed description, upload an eye-catching image, and set the price. These details will ensure that your customers know exactly what they're purchasing. Once your products are set up, it's time to install and activate a key plugin called Page Restrict for WooCommerce. You can find this in the WordPress plugin repository as well. This plugin will allow you to limit access to specific pages based on the products your customers purchase. It's an essential tool for controlling who can view your premium content. Now, head over to the Pages section of your WordPress dashboard and create a new page for each module or course you plan to offer. These pages will act as the restricted content that only paying customers can access. Once you've created the necessary pages, it's time to design them. You can use Elementor or your preferred page builder to add content such as module titles, detailed descriptions, videos, quizzes, and even downloadable resources. Keep your design clean and user-friendly to ensure a great experience for your customers. With your pages designed, the next step is to restrict access. Open the settings for each module page, and use the Page Restrict plugin to select the WooCommerce product your customers must purchase to gain access. Additionally, set up a redirect page for users who try to access the content without purchasing. This could be a simple page explaining that the content is restricted and providing a link to the product page. To make it even easier for your customers to navigate, add buttons to your module pages. One button should link directly to the corresponding WooCommerce product page for purchase, while another button can link back to the restricted module page once they've completed their purchase. To streamline the purchasing process, you'll want to set up auto-completion for WooCommerce orders. Start by installing and activating the Code Snippets plugin. Then, add a snippet that ensures WooCommerce automatically marks virtual product orders as completed. This way, your customers will have immediate access to the content they've purchased. You can also use the Code Snippets plugin to simplify the checkout process. Remove unnecessary fields such as address and country, leaving only the essentials like email, username, password, first name, and last name. A shorter checkout process means fewer barriers for your customers to complete their purchase. Once everything is set up, it's time to test the entire workflow. Go through the process yourself by purchasing a product and checking that the order auto-completes. Verify that the restricted page becomes accessible only after the purchase, and confirm that users are redirected appropriately if they try to access without logging in or making a purchase. If you are selling multiple modules or courses, simply repeat these steps for each additional product and page. Create a new WooCommerce product, design the corresponding page, and restrict access accordingly. Finally, don't forget to customize the design of your module pages to ensure they align with your brand. Add logos, colors, icons, and other visual elements to make the pages look professional and cohesive. And that's it. You've successfully set up a system to restrict pages with WooCommerce products. This method not only secures your premium content, but also provides a seamless experience for your customers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.